Chuck McCoy back with another unlisted video. This video is for Steve Straya. He wants to know more about the status LED on the rear camera on the A329S. So right now I've got it hooked up to my power supply. It's running in normal recording mode and I've enabled low bitrate recording. And right now I'm going to trigger it with this little switch, and I apologize for the dim lighting. I dimmed the lights so we could see the LED. So just keep your eye on the LED right here. Alright, here we go.
Parking recording started. Recording 2 channels started.
Okay, so I think it just blinked when it goes into parking mode, and it just stays on constant. And now let me turn it back on to normal driving mode.
Recording 2 channels started.
Okay, yeah, so it blinks when it goes in and out of parking mode. Now let's see what it does in LPID, low impact detection, or low power impact detection.
Recording 2 channels started.
Okay, back to normal recording mode. Now I'm going to trigger parking mode with my switch.
Parking mode enabled.
Okay, everything's shutting down, and it's going to, okay, yeah, it's already an LPID that quick, 41 milliamp. Now I'm going to give the camera a little oh, and we can see the status LED is off, so now I'm going to wake it up. Oh. Okay, so when it detects an impact and it wakes up, then it turns the status LED back on, and it's going to record for 1 minute. And if it detects motion or another impact, it'll record up to another 3 minutes. And when it goes back to sleep, the LED will go off. Alright, that's it. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.